Today we're going to modify the Strix, see if we can take it to the skate park. First, we have to go to Home Depot, see if we can get some parts. Let's go. Got the Christmas skeletons, I love it. The whole point of this is going to be to see if we can get this thing to slide as smoothly as possible without adding a ton of weight to it, and then take it to the skate park and we'll see what it looks like on the quarter pipes and the fun box and things like that. See if we can make this quad more than it really is. Before we go to Home Depot, we got to make a quick stop off at the post office to get this package out right here to Australia. Yep, it's one of the FPV pods for the UMX timbers going to Australia. Alright, post office is out of the way, and we are on our way over to see if we can get these parts for the quad, turn it into a freestyle street skate, vert skating, half pipe, grinding, fun box, jumping machine. Or none of that, maybe it'll fail. And air mode will take over and flip the damn thing over. Kind of have a feeling that might happen. Maybe we need to disable air mode for this one. Alright, that was a success. They had exactly what I wanted. We got some 1/2-inch PVC caps. They're not threaded. The threads just add more weight. These were significantly lighter, and they were actually somewhere around 1/8 of an inch longer, which will give slightly more clearance to the quad, which will be good on those really tight angles of the vert from the quarter pipe and the fun box motor. Look, this is either going to work and it's going to be awesome, or it's going to suck. Either way, it's going to be fun. All right, we're back. All right, so we've got the parts from Home Depot. What we ended up getting are just the 1/2-inch PVC end caps. These are not threaded. They're pretty lightweight. I don't know exact weight, but it's not much. I think they'll work great for the intended purpose. So what we're going to do is take the Strix, and we are going to take each one of these PVC caps, and we're going to cut a little groove down into each one of them that will sit nicely over the arm, kind of give it somewhere to go. And then we're going to take and put a hole in either side and use a zip tie to hold it in place. So here's where we're going to put it, guys. Look at that. So it's going to go over the first two motor bolts, essentially where the neoprene foot pads are now. That's going to keep it close to the edge. It's going to keep it out of the way of the motor, and I believe that that'll give us the most stability. Now you'll notice here that the bottom of these say Dura, and it's not flush, so I'm going to shave it down so that it is nice and smooth and doesn't say Dura on it. So that'll give it the ability to slide on the concrete nicer. The ultimate end goal with this project is to be able to go to the skate park, hit the fun box, hit the coping, maybe not the coping, we'll see. Drop in on the quarter pipe and just do the skate park on the quad. So let's make these things, let's try and fit them, and let's see what happens. Okay guys, so it's finished, and I'm not quite sure what to think about it, but here's what we have. As you can see here, we have the 1/2-inch PVC end caps. Again, these are the unthreaded ones, and I've kind of just carved them out a little bit to fit the arm of the Strix a little bit to limit the movement. I've got a couple zip ties on there just holding it on. So there it is, guys. This is the how to rig your Strix with some slick feet. As soon as the weather clears up in a couple days, we'll give this a shot. I hope you enjoyed the video. Click the subscribe button if you're not already, and I'll see you guys next time.